The Yealink EXP50. It is a tool that is a must-have for anybody who is on the phone constantly and needs shortcuts right at their fingertips. In the box, you're going to have your Yealink Quick User Start Guide. That's the module itself. You have a stand so that it can hold it up, as well as the USB connector that'll go into the phone. And you have a connecting sheet on the back. You can see the USB connections. This is a USB port. On the side is the area where you're going to connect it to your phone. Some rubber resistors so it doesn't slide all over the place. And this is where you would connect the power supply. You'll have this toolkit that you'll need in order to connect the module to your phone. You need a T50 series phone. It does not come with a power supply. For anybody that's using a Yealink phone with this, you will only need a power supply if you plan on using 2 or more of these modules with your telephone. At that point, the power requirements will require an adapter, a power adapter for that. And if you plan on using the power adapter, you'll need the Yealink 5-volt 2-amp power supply. And it'll say 2-amp right on here. And that's what's in the box for the EXP50 module. Check out the other videos where I show you how to connect it and use it with your Yealink device. Thanks for watching.